9 comes with a slim design that is claimed to be one of the world's thinnest smartphones. In addition, OPPO Find 9 is also going to be equipped with excellent specifications that will be able to pamper its users. Unlike the previous series, this time OPPO Find 9 offers a fairly got-hard specifications. Call it IPS widescreen LCD 5.5-inch capacitive with 1440x2560 pixels resolution that provides a clear screen display with wide viewing angles from all sides. While for hardware specifications, powered by Snapdragon 835 processor, octa-core for 2.45 GHz Cryo and for 1.9 GHz Cryo combined with 456GB RAM for more responsive performance and Bertanica. Interestingly again, this smartphone is also equipped with a capable camera with a resolution of 21MP main camera plus phase detection autofocus, OIS, LED flash, and for the front camera 16MP for selfie and video call photos.